If you are looking for an inexpensive smartphone which can provide some of the functionality that more expensive phones have, then you should not miss the Alcatel's smartphone range. For many years now, the famous manufacturer has introduced smartphones at a great value for money. Alcatel 3L 2020 is the direct successor of the 3L of 2019. The newcomer has seen improvements from the exterior design to cameras and even the device internal hardware. In this video, I will do the unboxing and a complete review of this stunning device. So let's start with a quick unboxing. Starting from the rear, the Alcatel 3L has a gradient paint finish with NCVM coating. The body is made out of plastic. The rear houses the fingerprint sensor and the triple cameras. The available colors are chameleon blue, dark chrome and agate green. Starting from the bottom is the speaker grille and the micro USB port. Turning to the left is the dedicated Google Assistant button and the SIM slot. It's a dual SIM tray with 2 nano SIM slot, or you can use 1 nano SIM and a SD card. Moving to the top is the 3.5mm jack and the main mic. Finally, to the right is the volume rockers and the power button. It has a beautiful 6.22-inch IPS HD Plus display with a resolution of 1520 by 720 pixels. The screen has a 19:9 ratio because of the selfie camera incorporated in the dewdrop shape. These bezels are not so thin and noticeable as that are currently present on flagship devices. They are also thicker but not at all distracting. The display is sharp, has wide viewing angles, vibrant colors, and under the sunlight it's splendidly good. The device runs on Android 10 OS. It is a clean and easily navigable interface for the eyes. Apps found in different home screens and features such as dark mode, gestures, etc. A very useful app which I want to share with you is the Kids Mode. Kids Mode is an entertaining and child-safe treasure. Kids Mode is fun. The important point is it's built with utmost care considering the kids' protection. I will be doing a separate video on this app and will put the link above here. Alcatel 3L is powered by the MediaTek 6762 Helio P22 8-core chipset, which comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Apps launch instantly. Switching between apps is fast as well. Playing games were good enough. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. More incredible videos are lined up for you. A 4000 mAh battery will give a superb life to this hardware. In the package there is a standard 10-watt charger which will recharge the device full in 2 hours. I wish they could have tried to push the fast charger technology. Anyhow, the battery backup was good and I was getting around a day's charge with my medium to high usage. The triple rear camera is one of the main features of the Alcatel 3L 2020. It has a 48 megapixel main sensor and aperture of 1.8, which ensures that even in the low light condition, high quality images can be taken. Night shots are fantastic. Along with the main camera is the 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with f2.4 aperture. Furthermore, this mobile is capable of recognizing up to 22 separate scenes with scene recognition system that works through artificial intelligence. And finally comes the 2 megapixel macro sensor. The results of the camera can be seen in these samples. The background separation is good overall. The AI feature really helps to give better output. Turning to the front, we find the 8 megapixel sensor with f2.0 aperture with the on-screen flash. The picture quality is really good and the portrait shot subject separation is good as well. Overall, the Alcatel 3L 2020 is an incredibly exciting smartphone at a very affordable price. In the saturated and competitive mid-range market, the Alcatel 3L 2020 is a strong contender. This device ticks all the boxes for a compelling mid-range phone for year 2020. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, press the like button and share it with your friends. This is Manish, you are watching Technspice. See you in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye.